Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to take a look at a very popular cryptocurrency on this channel. It's the SUI chart. Also SUI, like many other cryptocurrencies, has been in a correction for a very long time now, since sort of December last year, January this year. And today we want to take a look at the chart. We'll take a look at the larger time frame and the smaller time frame. Let's take a look at it. Let's go. We are now on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register on this website completely for free. You'll find the link in the description, and then you get access to all of these Elliott Wave asset class updates for the S&P 500. I think very important at the moment, considering what's going on in the markets at the moment, but also stocks, tech stocks, and cryptos. And today we'll take a look at the SUI chart. And the SUI chart has corrected a lot. We have seen this as a so-called 1-2-1-2 setup, as you might remember from previous videos. It's important to understand that the long-term invalidation point, or the key invalidation point here on this chart, has not been broken yet. That's the 9-cent level, but it's also far away from where we are now. I mean, it is a deep correction. It's a very deep correction. It's important to understand that the market has not yet, at least at the time of recording this video, even though there was a small bounce yesterday, but it's not meaningful enough to really confirm that a substantial trend reversal is happening from this blue wave 2 low. Okay, no low has been established yet, at least it's not confirmed. But if you want to stay up to date, then register on the website and you get all of these written updates as well. In addition, and we'll keep you updated about that. Also, when we have the possibility to add a trading area, we only do that when we really have high probability setups. At the moment, the overall trend is still down, and the 9-cent level is the next larger time frame support. Now, if we consider that a low in wave 2 could form in this region, even if it's somewhere between now and 9 cents, yes, it's a large distance, but then consider that the next rally should be a third wave, and it probably should take the price to $4, $5, $6 plus, as you can see here on the screen with this blue wave 3. Important to understand here is just the concept of reward and risk. So the 9-cent level is the invalidation point. We don't expect the price to necessarily break below that level, but obviously as long as the trend is down, that is a possibility. It's important to understand that below that level, the directly bullish thesis is invalidated. But also it's important to understand the direct move down is still unfolding. So it's not that we are immediately bullish, we just need signals first. Then we can see if the market can generate a 5-wave move up. That 5-wave move up would be a first indicator that the market wants to turn to the upside, and then the subsequent pullback could provide a trade setup. We only see it with a 30% probability that the market will break below that 9-cent level. That can change. Probabilities are dynamic. That's just the current assessment, so you get a rough idea of what the idea is, the outcome. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. So also here you can see that the market is now broken below an important level at $1.97. Now, it's not a sustained break. It's not a decisive break yet. So we leave that level on the chart, and we also still want to give the price the chance to potentially turn around here and start that third wave. We just need to be watching. As I said, yesterday there was a small reaction to the upside, and we now need to see if this is something meaningful. Should a first 5-wave move up develop from the recent lows, like from yesterday's swing low, then we can, as I said, we can see if the price has formed a structure that is noteworthy as a signal on the smaller time frame, and then any subsequent pullback could potentially be a buyable dip, but we would then add a trading area, a support area to the chart. That support area then could act as a jump off point for the next rally, basically, for example, the third of a third wave. So for now, the local trend is still down. Be careful here. The entire sector is obviously in a correction still. Obviously, we cover a lot of cryptocurrencies on this channel, like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Haven't done that for a while. We'll do that in the next few days again. Let me know if you like that idea. But also other coins like DOT, VeChain, and so on. They all are still caught in a correction, and Bitcoin is still leading, even though we take every chart on its own to get individual probabilities, support, resistance levels. If the entire market is not turning to the upside, it will make it much more difficult for SUI as well. But we see some positive tendencies today. So I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on our website. Also, let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.